Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. Today we will see the Syngonium collection I have, and we will discuss about the general care of Syngonium also. Syngonium comes in the Syngonium podophyllum. It is mostly cultivated species of aroid, and the genus is Syngonium. It is the native of South America, and it climbs a few meters all over the trunk of the trees, the tropical jungle trees where it lives, and it will cling to the trees with its roots. So that is how it grows. We can also grow them like this. Some of the Syngonium develop more. See this. This is Syngonium wendlandis vine. In the end, it has developed a small baby plant. So some of them develop a long vine, and some simply develop only a small climbing structure. So this is the difference, and leaves are very pointed and but of different colors. See, but almost all have the same. That is why they are called arrowhead plant commonly, because it resembles the arrows, and it flowers also when they mature, but usually when we grow at home it may not flower. And if you want, you can use stakes like moss sticks, and it will climb to it, or you can use for ground cover also. This is a very good ground cover plant. When you use soil, it needs very rich humus content soil. So when you take potting soil for this, you can go for 50% of fertilizer mixture, that is vermicompost, cow dung, all those things. 1/4 of garden soil and 1/4 of sand also. Sand will prevent the plant from getting soggy, and it likes slightly acidic to neutral soil to grow nicely. And we need to water them in the summer season. In the winter season it won't grow much. At that time you don't have to water. You have to see the potting soil, then you water. And it likes a summer temperature 38 degrees, and in winter when it goes below 0 degrees Celsius, it will be difficult for it to grow. It is a humidity loving plant, so it is better to mist them, or keep, if you have a humidifier you can keep nearby it, or keep in a humidity tray. Humidity tray is nothing but, in a tray pebbles are kept, and on top of it, after pouring water, you can keep your humidity loving plants. And in the summer season you can fertilize it with the liquid fertilizer. Pruning, you can prune them to give shape. Sometimes they grow out of the container, then you can prune them, or if you want you can divide them. If the plant is so big like this, so this is Syngonium long leaves, you can divide it, because you don't see any vines over it, so that you can cut and keep. But when the plant like this, you can always, I'll show you, see, you can just divide this from here and it will be a new plant. Here I am not doing it because I want the plant to look more beautiful in this container. Actually this and these two are inside only, they don't come out, they are sitting in the windowsill of my house. And there is one important thing about syngonium plant is all parts of syngonium plants are very poisonous, so you have to be very careful. And propagation I told, you can just cut the stem, you can keep in water also, it will just like a money plant you can propagate, or you can put in potting soil, you can grow. It is very easy plant to grow, and it is a air purifier also, that is why people prefer them in the house. This is the common variety or the Syngonium podophyllum, and it is also known as the white butterfly. Actually these three are of the same variety only, but since they are kept in different places, because of the sunlight which they get are different, the color of the leaves are different. See, you can see here, see this is almost white and this is very green, so that is the difference between the leaves, but they are all of them belong to the same plant, the white butterfly variety. Then this is the Syngonium long leaves, I have even done a video about it. This, if you, I will give the link in the description box. Then this is the Syngonium pink illusion, beautiful variety. This is the Syngonium berry illusion. This is also very beautiful. Of course, all are beautiful. This is the Syngonium wendlandi with the dark green leaves and variegation like white stripe. And this is the Maria illusion. Actually, this is a small plant. The big plant was having some problem, so I just divided it and kept in different pots. This is one among them. This is also a Syngonium only, a Maria illusion. I will show you this. See, in a small ball I am growing this Syngonium wendlandi. It looks beautiful actually. Actually I hung it in a stand. Actually here it is raining very heavily. From yesterday onwards our monsoon has set in. So there will be some noise disturbance hereafter when we take videos. So we will have monsoon up to September, I think that is how much rain we will get. And this year in the starting itself we are getting nice rain. From yesterday it is raining heavily here. So this is all about my Syngonium collection. Hope you like the video about the Syngoniums. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.